Hi, my name is Dr. Evan Kaplan, and I'm an assistant teaching professor in the Department of Biological Sciences here at Mississippi State University. And today I'm going to talk about student office hours. So what are office hours and why are they important? Office hours are scheduled times throughout the week that are set aside specifically for students to be able to come into your office and meet with you and to discuss a variety of topics. They allow students to meet with you in a more personable environment. Also, it provides them time outside of class time to be able to discuss course content, assignments, exams, anything else really that could be useful to them. School, career advice, personal interests, things of that nature. A 2022 survey that was conducted by Inside Higher Ed, as shown in the following link here, a survey was done of 2,000 undergraduate students, and it showed about 25 to 30% said they had never visited their instructor's office hours. And among those who did, though, about 55% of them only attended office hours once or twice throughout that term. The conclusions that were made from this survey suggested that although students do find office hours useful and would like the additional help outside of class time, some students felt intimidated in visiting their professors in their office for a variety of reasons. And one issue with this is that a lot of the first year and second year university level courses are very large courses, sometimes comprised of several hundred students, and compare that to courses in high school where they're very small, 20, 30 possible students, is that students were very intimidated by these large class sizes. And with that in mind, office hours allow them to be able to meet with their professor in a more personable environment, and allows the student as well as the professor to be able to get to know one another in that small, less intimidating environment, of which a course of 200 students is very intimidating to a lot of these first year and second year students. These differences make it difficult, though, for the students to be able to connect with their instructors as well as feel confident in doing so. So office hours provide them that ability to meet with their instructors, and not only to help them, but also to be able to build a better relationship between the students and the professors. This table shows some common reasons for students why they should attend your office hours. Seek clarification and ask questions regarding the syllabus, upcoming exams, or assignments and due dates. Seek clarification and ask questions regarding the course material. Get study suggestions and ideas. Get ready for an upcoming exam or assignment. Practice solving problems or going through equations or homework. Go over an exam or an assignment. Discuss the student's grades, or discuss anything else. This table shows some common misconceptions that students have regarding office hours. Students often aren't sure what office hours are for. Students often feel like they're bothering their professors by attending office hours. Students may feel nervous or intimidated about attending office hours. Students may worry that their question is silly and feel self-conscious about not grasping a basic concept. If students don't have specific questions, they may feel like they have no reason to attend office hours. So in conclusion, office hours are a great way to help our students for a variety of reasons on a more personable level. Not only is it a great benefit to our students, but also makes our position as educators more fulfilling. By providing a welcoming office hour environment allows students to see that you're approachable and allows them to feel more comfortable in wanting to utilize your office hours. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more class videos from our team at Mississippi State University. Go Dogs!